Greetings and welcome back to another episode in our series of 1,000 Evidences for the LDS Church. In this one, number 153, talking about Joseph Smith's concept of light as a form of fine matter. He taught this definition of light in Doctrine and Covenants, section 84, verse 45 to 46, and section 131, verses 7 and 8. In section 84, he equated light with spirit. In section 131, he revealed that there is no such thing as immaterial matter. He said that all spirit is matter, but it is more fine and pure and can only be discerned by purer eyes. He went on to say that we cannot see it, but when our bodies are purified, we shall see that it is all matter. This doctrine established concepts that were not generally accepted by the scientific community until nearly a century later. Admittedly, Joseph Smith was not the first person to define light as matter. Sir Isaac Newton proposed the idea in 1666, but it is extremely unlikely that Joseph Smith knew anything about Newton's opinions. Obviously, they were overshadowed in the year 1801 by Thomas Young, who believed that light consists of waves rather than particles. By the time Joseph Smith first received his revelation on the nature of light in 1832, the scientific community agreed with Thomas Young that light was made of waves, not matter. You can see an article about this, the nature of light in World Book Encyclopedia, 1952, volume 10, pages 144-37. And in 1905, Dr. Albert Einstein reintroduced this concept with his theory that light was composed of photons, behaving like a stream of particles rather than waves of energy, as previously believed. In 1924, Louis D. Broglie suggested that wave and particle properties were related in the same way as for light. See Halliday and Robert Resnick, Fundamentals of Physics, 2nd edition, New York, John Wiley and Sons, 1981. Pages 781 and through 798. Louis de Broglie further described light as non-ponderable matter. See Louis de Broglie, Matter and Light, New York, Dover Publications, 1946. Cited in Cook, Science and Mormonism, 1968, page 13. Here again, we see evidence that Joseph Smith was inspired with truths many years ahead of his time. Truly, he was a man of God, a prophet who discerned the heights and depths of science as well as its broad expanse from the beginning of time to the future end of the world. As you can clearly see, these evidences, with scientific verification, are much easier to believe than to disbelieve. We have much more to discuss. Don't miss any of our upcoming episodes. Until then, remember, call, don't fall. Call on the Lord for clarity in the midst of the blinding fog of skepticism.